Hello and welcome, and in this lecture we are going to discuss enums. So what are enums? Enums are enumerations. Enumerations allow us to define a list of valid values and allow the programmer to use them. So let's begin. So at the top here, just go enum, and we're just going to say Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. We have just created an enumeration for weekdays. If we now go integer a equals Monday, and we cast that to an integer, and then we go printf, %i for integer, and we pass our variable a, we should see 0 be outputted. Let's compile that. gcc main.c -o main, type main, and we see 0. Now if you were to put Tuesday in here, recompile that again, we see 1. Wednesday would be 2. Thursday would be 3. Now, what if we want the days of the week to start from 1? Then we just simply say Monday equals 1. If we now recompile that, type main, we can see that Tuesday is now 2. If we did Monday, recompile that, Monday is now 1. Let's now give our enumeration a name. Enum weekday. If we now say enum weekday, day equals Monday, and then we output day. If we recompile that, Monday. So enums are essentially just descriptive names for numbers. When we don't set a value, it counts from 0. In our case, the first element here, Monday, is 0. Second, Tuesday is 1. Third, Wednesday is 2. And so on and so on. We can give all of these any numbers we like. If we now change this to Thursday and recompile, we see 10. Now notice Friday doesn't have a value, but Thursday does. What do you think Friday will be? It'll be 11, of course. Change this to Friday, recompile, 11. Excellent. Now you understand enumerations. Let me show you how you can use this with an array. So we're going to get rid of all of the values here, so it counts from 0 again. And just under here, we're going to create an array. Const char weekday str equals Monday, comma, Tuesday, comma, Wednesday, comma, Thursday, and so on. So what we've done here is we've created an array of strings here, right, that represent every day of the week. So when our weekday is equal to Friday, we should be able to output Friday, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to say const char weekday to str, which means to string obviously, and we're going to expect a weekday passed to us, and all we're going to do is we're going to say return weekday str day. And obviously in a better implementation you would check that the day can fit into the bounds of the array and so on. So if we now did printf %s for string \n, and we did weekday to str, and let's just pass in Friday. We can get rid of this variable declaration here. If we now compile that, run it, we see Friday. And if we just change the Friday string to Friday exclamation mark, we recompile that, run it again, now we see Friday exclamation mark. So how does this work? Well, we know that the enums count from 0. So 0 is Monday, Tuesday is 1. If you hover over it, it'll tell you the number as well. The IDE Visual Studio Code will actually tell you the number it is. Now, because these start from zeros, and arrays also start from 0, they're the perfect match for each other because they line up perfectly. Index 0 in our const char array, in our const char pointer array here, is Monday. Weekday 0 is Monday. So when we pass Friday in here, Friday is getting replaced with 4, and then it is getting index 4 from this array, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have Friday returned. I hope you've enjoyed these course previews. To purchase the course, please use the link in the video description. Every course purchase allows me to make more content and keep bringing value to you.